Hello. So, I hope I'm audible. Hello. Hi. A very good morning to all of you, my dear friends. It's really very amazing. I don't have words to explain what am I feeling right now. My whole HHF family is with me right now. Virtually, I'm just imagining myself in front of you all. It's so amazing. I'm very happy. I welcome you all. A bit very skeptical whether am I audible to you all. Okay, it's my voice is very easy, or how is it? Okay, it's audible. Thank you very much. So first of all, I'll a big disclaimer. This is not a video for my what you say, for my exploitation of my own name, myself. It's not like that at all. It's just I'm sharing my ideas about this coronavirus, and I wanted everyone to understand this very clearly, so that you are able to express these ideas to your patients, to your beloved ones, to everyone. Okay, so I'll start with this coronavirus. I hope everyone is with me right now. Okay, 258. Thank you. I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm more than happy. So this video is also for this common man, the layman also, because they are in a mess now. They are in a chaos state right now. They really don't know what to do. What is this coronavirus all about? I was just studying this, the physiological and pathological understanding of coronavirus for last 2 to 4 days with Yogesh, and I found some amazing insights, and I wanted to make you all that clear. What is this coronavirus all about? What is this virus? See, in order to make this study of virus, the infection of virus, coronavirus, very easy, very palatable, very approachable, very reasonable, very rational, I had, selected some things so we all might understand what is this bloody coronavirus all about. And my mentor, our mentor, Dr. Milind Rao. Hi. Our Milind Rao, the master, who always thought differently. He always thought of something else. And we used to wonder what thought process you are carrying, sir. And you will be very surprised to know that yesterday night also he whispered me something, and I would like to share you. And this is very interesting. Okay, what happened was, today at early morning at 2 o'clock, I got an insight of a virus. This is my idea. A bloody big disclaimer. It's my idea. I'm not claiming that this is my idea. And I hope my HHF family will definitely like this idea. Who is a bloody virus? You know who is a virus? A small micro chain of a RNA. This enters in this big body. Now imagine this virus coming in and destructing the whole body. How is it possible? Is it that possible? Scientifically, yes, it happens. All intellectuals say it is these things which harm the body. Yes, I agree. But how? I'll tell you with an example. This example is for my layman friends. These examples are from non-medical group where I will be sharing this video. My dear friends, see, viral infection means what? Have you ever, you have seen this Three Idiot picture, the movie Three Idiots? The principal, Viru Sahastra Buddhai, Virus. Hi. This virus, Viru Sahasra Buddhe. Sastra Buddha, life is a race. Life is a race. You have to fight with the race. This is competition. This is that. This is competition. You have to win it. Okay. This Viru Sahasra Buddhe, and his nickname was Virus. And the director has rightly said it's a virus. Why? There were three best friends. Phungsuk Wangdu, Ranchod Das Chanchad, Ranchod Das, Raju Rastogi, and Farhan Qureshi. They were three best friends. What this virus do? He found out the most vulnerable friend of them, who was Raju Rastogi. This Raju Rastogi was a very vulnerable, very fragile friend of them. This virus targeted Raju Rastogi and tried to just make apart from their friendship, their group. He tried to break their chain. Hello? This virus tried to break the chain from Farhan and Ranchod Das. And he fell prey and he directly jumped from the window and he died. Why he died? He died because of his emotional vulnerability, that continuously question mark in his mind, that question mark, what will happen, what will I do, how can I do, how will I do it, is it right, is it wrong, what is this, what is not, what is wrong. That was the most vulnerable. Here this RNA becomes vulnerable. Here this molecule of our own body becomes weak. And this virus from outside comes in our body and targets the most weakest RNA. And he attacks that and makes or dominates this RNA. See, this is how viral infection comes. Now what happens is, can you believe a microorganism, I won't say it's an organ, a micro part has literally damaged the whole world? How? Isn't it interesting? No doubt it is very terrific also. It is very, it's very dangerous also. But how? Because after I'll tell you the exact answer for this, believe me, my dear friends, you will be so happy, you will be so, confident that you will fight against this virus. But before that, we had to know now what is this virus all about. I'll give another example of a virus. This virus, I'll tell you, we have studied in history. See, this is social media. I won't take the name of the whole country or whatever. You have to understand what I wanted to tell you. There was a foreign company, a company by name East India, whatever. I don't know. I won't take the name. This company, a small company. This small company, East India or something like, I don't recollect the name. My history was very powerful. And so this company, a foreign particle, came in India. India is my body. Okay? My body is India. Delhi, Mumbai, Delhi, whatever, sorry. Delhi, Mumbai, everything here. Maharashtra, Karnataka, Bengal, Odisha, whatever, whoever, wherever, my whole body is India. Imagine this, just for the sake of understanding the infection, how coronavirus comes into place. This is my body, this is my country. East India Company, a foreign body, a foreign molecule, a foreign micro part, small company, just a small company came and for business in India. And this company, with the help of divide and rule strategy, what did it do? It invaded the whole country, my dear friends. Can you imagine? This small company, around maybe a staff of around 100, 200 people came in India For what? For business. This virus came in my body and divided and ruled, divided and ruled, divided and ruled. What happened? What was the end result? What was the byproduct of this? We were enslaved. This company dominated every person in our country, and they did whatever they wanted to do. We had no choice. Are you getting my point? So this is viral infection. The virus comes from outside, invade our body, divide the RNAs, and then these RNAs are commanded by this virus. He dominates, do this, distract yourself, distraction. Got it? Now I'll tell you next time, within some time I'll tell you how to cope up with this viral infection. Okay? So that is where, and that is very simple. This is very simple. How to cope up with this viral. Why I'm telling you, my dear friends, this is for your information so that you can convey this to the entire masses. Believe me, the infection rate will come down. May come down. I'm not claiming again. तो कल फिर से कोई बोलेगा नहीं, you had told this. It may come down. How I'll tell you. Okay? So you got to know what is virus. This virus is a very minute particle, comes in and divide us. So what is necessary? Coordination. What is necessary? Togetherness. What is necessary? Bonding. What is necessary? Unity. What is necessary? Integrity. What is necessary? This virus cannot get it. Further damages. Got it? In HHF already, you know this. In HHF, we have this integrity, unity, togetherness. So there is nothing wrong in it. No? So this is required in every aspect of your life. So I hope you got what is viral infection and how does it invade our body. Divide and rule. ध्यान में रखो. Divide and rule is the basic motto of virus. And how to cope up with it. How to prevent from further things. How to how to prevent these things. I'll tell you one thing. Body language is very important. Every person's body language is important. Okay, so there are 4 criterias, 4 approaches to fight against this virus. Okay? Listen very carefully, my dear friends. You wanted to know the psychodynamics? It's very interesting. It's really very interesting. See, the first approach to prevent from this viral infection is what? We already know, everybody knows. Prevention, social distancing, not wander like tuberculin here and there. Hey, maja karo. You have to sit at home. You wash your hands. Do that hygienic things. Wash your hands with soap. है ना? Social distancing. When you go out, you have to. That is, you know everything about this prevention aspect, right? Now imagine this home. This is my home. Compare this home as my body. Okay? This home is my body. Because there is a door in front of me. Okay? So what are the doors of my body, my home? My eye, where the virus can come in? Through my eyes, through my nose, through my mouth. Got it? So these are the doors. These are the doors where I can invite this virus inside. Got it? So best to be at home so the virus won't come inside. But there are some people, my dear friends, they have to go to offices. They have to do their duties. We also have to go do to the clinic sometimes. So how to deal with these types of cases where you got to go out and still you have to see to it that you maintain that social distancing. But still, I'll tell you, the virus is at your doorstep. Exact outside of, means the virus is here, somewhere here. Someone has sneezed and unfortunately the droplet has come here. Still, how should be our approach? I'm telling you. How should be our approach? Okay? So the psychodynamics plays an important role in this coronavirus. What is psychodynamics? What we think we get. गीता में लिखा हुआ है. In Lord Krishna has said, you are the architecture of your own thoughts. You are the architecture of your own life. Whatever you are suffering, it is because of your own thoughts. Right? Now, this is very important again. Listen to it very carefully. First of all, we have learned what is virus. What is that virus? That East India Company invades India. How? Divide and rule. Degeneration. Right? Now, how to prevent from further damage, from further degeneration, for further complication? How? I'll tell you. There are so many cases wherein the patient is just a carrier. The patient doesn't produce any symptom. How? And there are many patients who land into complications. How? Isn't it a beautiful question to ask? Why there are some only carriers? Hi. I could see yeah. So see, there are so many people, I tell you, my dear friends, who are carriers. They test positive. One of my doctor friend is positive in Thane. But he said, I'm at my peak of my health, I am just quarantined. I don't know what is that. I'm fine. Within 5 days, he was discharged. There was no symptom whatsoever. Why? And there are some people who land in trouble. There are some people who go, There are some people who land into complications. Now, this is very important. How this virus turns the normal infection towards complication. The basic idea is very important. Listen to this very carefully. What happens is, the psychodynamic part. The psych. When you are diagnosed to be coronavirus positive, what happens first is you are quarantined. Means what? Quarantine means you are 15 days, you have to sit alone. You are not allowed to talk. You are not allowed to contact with anyone. You are not allowed to communicate with everyone. You are now to have to keep a distance. The door is shut. What is this? You know what is this? This is loneliness. Now, I'll give a big, this is my theory. First you follow it blindly. If you feel so, only then follow me scientifically. This is a theory I am telling about. But this is a psychodynamic theory. People who are keeping a thought that I am lonely in this world. I am alone in this world. I am here out of state. Nobody loves me. I am aloof. I am isolated from my family members. I am isolated from this office. I am isolated from this group. My friends have forsaken me. My family have forsaken me. I am all alone here. I don't have anyone with me. The whole world is like a dark place to live in. These are the persons who have that vulnerability, RNA vulnerable. This RNA becomes fragile. The doorstep virus will then enter in you. Hello? Got it? So the keeping a feeling in mind that I am alone. Nobody loves me. I am ignored. I am aloof. I am abandoned. I am abandoned my family. No one cares about me. Nobody loves me. I hate my life. I don't want to live life. I just don't want to live. This life is a bloody mess for me. I don't want this life. See, this, what goes in your subconscious mind, eventually makes your inner immunity power weak. If now, how I am talking about how to keep that virus which is at the doorstep there itself, and not allowed to enter into this home, not allowing this virus to enter in my body. What should be my mantra? I am the best. I am happy. Isn't it simple? I am loved by my family. I am loved by my family. I love my family. Family loves me. We are together. We are united. We are together. We are united. We are integral part of this. Nobody can break our bond. Isn't it so simple? Can you just think like this? Can't you just think like this? Immunity, there are two types of immunity. One is acquired by immunizations and one is inbuilt. Innate immunity. What is this innate immunity? There are so many people who fall sick day in and day out. Isn't it? And there are so many people who whatever they don't suffer. The sensitivity, the vulnerability, the fragility is what is more important. And this, my dear friends, can be controlled with your strong positive emotions. What are the strong positive emotions, my dear friends? The most important. I am loved by everyone in this world and I love this world. Believe me, if you have this one thought, the chances of infection reduces drastically. This virus will stand at the doorstep for 2-3 days and go off. If that RNA, the door is fragile, the virus will come in forcibly. Because why? Because no unity, no strength, no love, fear, anxiety. No. This comes inside and invades. Then divide and rule. Instead of that, I am happy. I am best. I love my family. My family loves me. I belong to this world. The world belongs to me. I love this mother world. The mother world is caring for me. Everybody put this thought. I love this mother world. The mother world cares for me. See what happens. Just see what happens. If tell the whole India, whole world, I love this world and the world loves me. See what happens. I love each and every person in this world and every person in this world loves me. Just put this one word. I appeal to the whole world. Just say this. I love the whole world and the whole world loves me. And see the changes in your life, my dear friends. This is the important message what I wanted to give to you. Hatred kills, hatred kills. Jealousy kills, anger kills, competition kills, moha and maya kills, love, unity, togetherness, bonding, care. These are the emotions which survive your body. The more you jealous, the more the fragility. The more you pay that. 7 days I had not gone to clinic. What will happen to my EMI? ठीक है, हो जाएगा. Everything is okay. All is well. My dear friends, just say to yourself, life is beautiful, all is well. No virus, can create that complications in your life. Just say. I got a news yesterday that Yogesh told me that there was a family, for all of them were suffering from this virus, dreaded infection, and they were directly saying that we are very much loving each other, we are taking that due care of each other, and this family, without any this major complications, survived, just like a normal viral infection. Hana? So this is the psychodynamics, my dear friends. Love yourself. Love your family. Now the intellectuals told, very at the beginning only we heard, my dear friends, this virus is more dangerous in old people, in old age people. They are more in threat, they are more in danger. Why? Because once the person becomes old, the love to live life, oxygen, the love to live life, and that is oxygen, decreases. I had seen my life enough. One, seriousness. RNA becomes vulnerable, fragile, weak. One thought of old people is, I am ignored. Nobody cares for me. RNA becomes fragile, weak. Old ones, if you have many old ones in your home, my suggestion is at least give a hug, one hug, tight hug. How are you, mom? How are you, dad? I'm missing my dad. How are you, mom? How are you, dad? Give a tight hug. Just one tight hug can do miracles, my dear friends. जादू की छप्पी झूठी नहीं है. मुन्ना भाई MBBS picture में the one which has shown the जादू की छप्पी. It's so applicable, my dear friends. Believe me, one hug, one tight hug can change the chain of your RNAs and DNAs. Believe me. That doesn't mean once you are telling that all is well, I am happy, and so I will jump into the market and the center of the place and say, I am well, Aja, kidhar hai? No, this is not right. This is not right. First is prevention, isolation. Second thought, loving, caring. कितना जाता है रे? 2 मिनट भी नहीं जाएगा, है ना? Give love to your parents. Give love to your kids. Play hide and seek in your home. Play, if your home is short, play sharp shidi. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? Snake and ladder and snake. क्या? Play that. Enjoy life, yeah. Whatever you have it, enjoy. Now this lockdown. What is this lockdown? Lockdown, if you'll take it as a curse, you will get hundreds of experiences where you will feel ruined in your life. But this lockdown, if you say, yeah, this is amazing. I'm really happy. I'm so happy. I'm so glad. I'm really happy with this lockdown. I'm getting to do what I wanted to do. 1 month break I'm getting. I will be cherishing this 1 month of break. However fruitless, however you are in loss, don't carry the thought of your loss. Just carry the thought of उदासी भरे दिन कभी तो ढलेंगे. Every part, there is an end to everything, my dear friends. Please hold your heart strong. Put it strong. This time will be come over. And this beautiful new morning is awaiting for us. Till then, exercise, meditate, enjoy life, give time to your friends, family, no friends, sorry. Give time to your family. Family तो इतना टाइम हो गया, फ्रेंड्स को मिल नहीं रहे, तो बीच बीच में फ्रेंड्स आ रहे, सॉरी. लंबू, केवाय, राजा, सुनिया, सचा, अमोल, बढ़िया, अरे गोपिया, my whole HSF team, my committee, निकिया, उधर नागपुर टीम, जलगांव टीम, अकोला, खामगाव, शागाव, बीड, नांदेड़, मिसिंग यू गाइज यार, कोंकण. I don't have words. How am I missing you all, guys? And I know you all are also missing here. So, these friends, you are missing, but don't lose this family time. Make your family like a friend. See the way you enjoy with them. Enjoy. Quarrel with them. सांप सीढ़ी खेलते में समय. Cheating. You also do cheating. है ना? So, this is the psychodynamic approach of this dreaded infection right now. So how? See, the ball is still in your court, madam. The ball is in still your court. You can just hit it out. Hit it out. Convince yourself, I am the best. I am the loved. I am the most appreciated. I am not neglected at all. I get that appreciation. I get that love. If nobody is giving me love, still it is okay. Convince yourself that I am loving myself. I want to live life. I want to live life. Once you say this, I want to live life, oxygen level To live life, what is needed? Oxygen. I want to live life, oxygen level will 100% be maintained. I want to live, oxygen level. Okay, see this is very important. This is very related. The third approach is spiritual approach to fight against. First approach was preventive approach, social distancing. Second is psychodynamical approach, how to think positive. Third is spiritual approach. Now, what is this spiritual approach all about? Arjuna was fighting against Bhishma, his uncle. Okay? This Arjuna said to Lord Krishna that my hands are trembling. My hands are trembling. I can't fight against my uncle. This is something I can't fight. I want to go home. I don't want to do this. Then what Lord Krishna does? Lord Krishna gives a halt to the whole world. Okay? Now, this halt is pause. Lord Krishna gives a pause, a big pause to the whole world and explains the whole story, what is right, what is wrong, to to Arjuna. So I tell you, my dear friends, this is a opportunity. This lockdown, this pause, this break, this period, this lockdown period, try to introspect. What is this introspection? Swadhyay. Do you know what is? I also don't know, sorry, but I'm trying. See, what happens is, just close your eyes for 2 minutes and convince yourself. Trillions of my cells are dancing with happiness. Trillions of my cells are coordinating with each other. My sympathetic and parasympathetic nerve supply are absolutely in coordination with each other. Antagonism, mechanism is perfectly going on. My health is at the pink. I'm doing my best. I'm the blessed one. Just close your eyes. Take a long breath. When you take that breath, you realize yourself, see, you are so happy. There are people who are not able to breathe, my dear friends. There are people who are not able to breathe properly. Be blessed. Be thankful to your body that you are breathing pure air, pure oxygen. Be that, krutadnya to your body. Give that courtesy to your body. Thank you, my body. You are always with me, and please be with me like this for the years to come. I want to live like this beautifully again and again. This makes a big difference, my dear friends. A big difference. Try and tell me. And the last approach is the medicinal approach. I won't comment upon allopathic medications and Ayurvedic medications because I am not it is not my cup of tea. The medicinal approach with homeopathy. Now this is very important. With due respect to my legendary homeopaths in India, who had made homeopathy a hub of homeopathy in India. The legends, every legend has his own theory, which is a part of their experience of many, many years. Many legends have come up with some remedies. Camphora, arsenic album, sepia, then zincum muraticum, mercury. See, they have thought for months together, years together, and they have concluded this. It's their tapascharya which is working. Please, my dear government, please don't ignore their advices. Me and my whole HHF team is with each and every one homeopath who is striving hard for the humanity. Nobody is here now. This is a time for humanity, a noble cause. This is not for self, fame and name and all those things. No, they don't need that now. They don't need this. Let us join hands together and just try to feel. One rubric is for sure for me. The loneliness in life. It may be delusion alone. He is not loved by family, friends. 4-second filling, abundant filling. Every remedy covers. Camphor is in 4-second filling. Delusion alone being. CPI is alone in the graveyard. I also think China is also one of the best remedies. There are n number of remedies. China is also one of the best remedy. Lone, insignificant, persecuted, wrong suffered. Why me? Why am I suffered? Because of those people I am suffering. Irritation, tormenting feeling, isolated feeling, shy feeling. So, I think the best, we should understand homeopathy. And the state is very important. Of course, the state is very important. But to find out the state of millions of people at a time, is it possible? No. So, we have n number of people. They have that capacity, that efficacy to treat homeopathy. Please, my dear mass. It's very unfortunate to say that homeopathy is not allowed to practice. Let us get a chance, at least a chance. Whoever may get a chance, I am happy. Whoever may get a chance. But yes, just I told you this weak, vulnerable RNA. Homeopathy has an efficacy to make that vulnerable, that weak, that fragile RNA to become a strong, united and strong RNA. That energy homeopathy medicines has, which can, has the efficacy to which may, I am not claiming, again you will tell, अरे नहीं तूने claim किया, नहीं, which may, I am telling again. कल मेरे को साला उधर behind the bar चलेंगे. Homeopathy medicines has a power. Please give us a chance. We'll definitely do it. If a patient is in the Jalgaon, patient is at Pune, the patient is at Mumbai, Thane, Bhiwandi, wherever. HF has every main center is there in HHF, which will definitely give a right medicine. Not only HHF, the whole homeopathy fraternity who follows homeopathy religiously, ardently, passionately, selflessly, will definitely cure the patient. Okay? So again, the last word I'm talking about, my dear friends, the ball is, you still have a U-turn. Again, I'm telling you, if you want, you can get out of it. What do you have to say? What you have to preach yourself? I am beautiful. I am loving myself. I am not alone. I love my family. Family loves me. I am not targeted in the office. I am not targeted at home. I am the best one. I have the blessed life. My dear friends, this really works. This really works. Yeah? Yes, Shrutika, you're right. HHF is there to help at every corner of Maharashtra and in India. Homeopathic doctors are there in every corner. There are many talented homeopathic doctors. I plead to everyone, please give us at least a chance, because without chance, there cannot be a research. Okay? So, I know you got a little bored, because this philosophical part is not, but it's really important. Okay, so now we'll turn towards the cases. Why I selected this case? They term homeopathy as a placebo. How could we feel, Ray, when the people claim it as a placebo? How could we feel? They are directly pointing it out at our existence. They're asking, tell me, how have you, just tell me, do you, it's like, do you have faith in God? If I'll say yes, show me the God. Can I show the God? Similarly, they are asking me, do you, show me all the intellectual people. These intellectual people, I'm afraid of these intellectuals. Really. Forget it. So now, I hope you got the exact, yes, Kapil, we are all together. Yes. We are all together. Yes. Yogesh, yes. Sunil sir, thank you. So this is how we have to understand the psychodynamics. Okay. So now we'll turn to the case. Hello, shall I start with the case? Yes, we will give Vivek. Yes, we will give the test. And science is yeah, Geeta, right? Yes. Nikia, right? Yes. Vicky Babu, all is well. Yeah, Shobha. Yeah. Sujata, yes. We know. Yes. Rupesh. Okay, so now let us understand those cases. Acha. Hema, please delete those videos now, because now the time is already, I don't know whether you have deleted. You may have already deleted it. So now let us come to the cases. Any query you wanted to ask? I am here for 5 minutes. Yeah, Jagruti, we are all together. Daya. Yeah, Payal, right. येस योगेश. योगेश कुठे? इन्व्हाइट कर ना. कसं करायचं? प्रीतम पाटील होऊन जाऊन दे. येस. एनी क्वेरी नाउ यू वॉन्टेड टू नो? हेलो, एनी क्वेरी? अच्छा, कोई पूछ नहीं सकते क्या? पूछ नहीं सकते? हाँ,
मैसेज करना है वो.
So, just a minute. Any queries? एक मिनट का query है क्या? Any queries, my dear friends? What energy today? Very good, Sujata. Thank you. Yes, Saili. Yes, Avishkar. Yes, you said it, man. Yeah, Mona. Thank you. Yeah, Hema. Okay, thank you, Hema. Yeah, Pratima. Yes. Here. Yogesh Rajurkar here.
Click.
Okay, so the case of which case you wanted to start first? The esophageal cancer or what? The esophageal cancer? असू दे, चल जाऊ दे. हॅलो. सो द esophageal cancer case. इकडे रिप्लाय आले बघ. इकडे रिप्लाय कर.
रिप्लाई नहीं करायचं बाबा, त्याला लाईव्हला इन्व्हाइट करायचे. डीपी वर क्लिक करायचं.
हा बरं.
होत नाही पण तो डीपी वर क्लिक.
ओके चल सोडून दे. Okay, sir. So I'll take the case of this esophageal cancer first. Actually, I told Hema, नको सिद्धू मला डिस्टर्ब होते, सोडून दे. लंबे इकडे, सिद्धू इकडे येऊन बघ तू. बच्चा, give me only 1 minute. I am inviting Yogesh Rajurkar also.
नाही, एक मिनिट. सोडून दे. एक मिनिट स्ट्रेट कर फक्त. माझ्याकडे जाय.
अरे कर ना.
ह्याच्यावर क्लिक करायचं फोटोवर. ते असं झालं तर शिवाय होणार नाही. एक मिनिट, नावावर पण होत नाही.
होत नाही म्हणून सांग. सोडून त्याला सांग नंतर करतो. नाही होते, सोडून दे सिद्धू. सो कसा पकडायचा मग हा? Now coming to the cases, my dear friends. The first case was, hello. The first case was, oh sorry. The first case was the esophageal cancer, what I'm talking about. Now imagine a patient in front of me. You must be wondering how casual I was during the case taking, isn't it so? Why? I'll tell you, because the patient the relatives, it was a referred case by a doctor, and he said, sir, the patient is very bad. Financially also she is very bad. Socio-economically also very bad. IPR is also very bad. And the doctor has claimed that there is no chance to recover whatsoever. Since 1 month she was not able to eat anything. And now they have said that there is a least chance of survival. So, we all are going to Mayur, brief case little bit from your side. Yes, I'll tell you. I'll tell you the whole case. Rima, I'll tell you the whole case. Okay, now I tell you. See, Sunil Mulik sir has asked a very good question. How a 10th month baby child is infected in corona. If you, see, sir, this is one of the thought process that we should carry amongst ourselves so that our immunity power becomes strong. So, if you say so, there must be something wrong in her pregnancy, I am telling you. 110%. If you can ask the child's mother, she must have felt that lonely. She must have felt that alone in her pregnancy. When you are pregnant, the woman becomes pregnant. This woman who is pregnant expects that love, affection and care from the whole IPR, from the whole environment. And if at all, this pregnant woman doesn't get that love, affection and care from the whole environment, she carries a thought that, yeah, I am alone, I am lonely, I am like this. How? They don't care. I am a pregnant woman. They should serve me food at right interval of period. They are not at all. And now see the pregnant woman. So this is very important. Okay, Krish, Krish, you wanted to have some rubrics. Okay, great. Okay. So before coming to my cases, we will be talking something about these infections and remedies also. And some rubrics also. That will be very interesting also. Okay. So I'll tell you. First, the Mulik sir has asked me that a 10-month-old child suffering from this infection. Yes, of course, the infection has gone down. The body is also allowed the infection to get in. But yes, 100% there must be some thought feeling. There must be. There may be. This is a if and but task I'm talking about. There may be some emotional turbulences during her pregnancy where she has felt lonely, where she has felt alone, aloof, neglected, and this thought goes into the subconscious, and this thought is inherited in the womb, and this child gets a feeling of loneliness. Hello, got it? So what we think, it is transferred. Okay? Acha, Krish has said something. Krish, you can, of course, kasa add karaza. I would love to add here, everyone, but somehow it is not working, Yogesh. Again, you can call Sidhu and tell him it's not working. When I'm pressing this, your icon, it's not working. Okay? It is not coming up. So, now some rubrics. Dr. Krish had told me through this message that more insights for our understanding of. We have already discussed, me, Krish, Alok, Yogesh. We have already discussed some rubrics which must be very common. 4-second feeling, delusion 4 seconds. Delusion wrong suffered is a very good rubric. See, why me, bloody? What have I done? This wrong suffered. People from traveling all over the world. And one sentence was very good in this WhatsApp. Passport got this and ration card people are suffering. Passport people got the infection and ration card people are suffering. See this is a feeling of wrong suffered. Of course wrong suffered. There is a tormented feeling. Delusion. See now, just a thought of getting quarantined. Can you imagine? Just a thought of getting quarantined is so dangerous. I'm not able to do anything. Oh my God. That thought of quarantine is what? That thought of quarantine is fear of ordeals. अग्नि परीक्षा ये तो इतना जाने का हालत खराब. Fear of sufferings. Why God has done this to me? What I have done to him that he has given this to me? Kalibrom. China, loss of vital fluids. Huh? That bitterness, that tormented. Wrong suffered. Arsenic, already it's arsenic album, so many cases. Washing hands continuously. And one, my dear friends, when I have seen in Thane, there are so many people who suffer from this infection, but they don't tell why, because everybody will look at in a very different way, as if he's suffering from leprosy. Dur. Delusion despised. Delusion, cast away. Hura type people. Dur, you go away, you go ahead. One of my friend who's a doctor who goes to the clinic, that whole society has boycotted him from his home. My God. As if he's suffering from some very bad disease. Go away, get out. See, so this is very important, my dear friends. So the rubrics there are many rubrics which can, be taken during this, but the exact state is very important. I had just discussed a case of Grindelia, wherein the lady said, how long it will take, doctor? Is raat ki subah kab hogi? Light desires for light, sunshine and society, longing for sunshine, light and society. When this event will end? When this lockdown will end? When we'll go openly and walk in the garden? I'm just dying for it. I'm not walked for months together, weeks together. I wanted to go to this, and I'm not getting out of my home. What is this all about, yaar? When do I get longing for repose and tranquility? Longing for sunshine, light and society. Grindelia stramonium. What is this stramonium? Stramonium is also very common. Longing for sunshine, light and society. This danger, this evil, this killing, the ghost. This virus is like a ghost for him. पीछा ही नहीं छोड़ रहा है. भाग मैं जहां जाऊं. Stramonium. है ना? People who are absolutely, there may be people, let's sepia also, delusion, alone in the graveyard. Superb rubric. The old people, I tell you, the old women who may suffer, many require sepia, who are not despair about their miserable existence. है ना? Lonely in a graveyard-like situation. Nobody is visiting, nobody is calling. So that is very important. So this is what I wanted to tell you. Any good insight comes in my mind, I'll definitely share right now. So there are so many remedies. Kalibrom hai, China hai, arsenic hai, sepia hai. Of course, camphora hai. Delusion dying he is. Delusion is in hell. Camphora. है ना? The people, the old people, fed up of life, this chances of getting infected are more. The ones who are eager to. Why I am telling this so confidently? Have you ever seen a person falling sick during his school trip? The only guys who fall sick during school trips are those who don't want to go. I tell you, most of the times. I don't claim, but most of the times. I don't want to go to picnic. They will fall sick. I will never fall sick during this trips. No chance. Oh, yo, man. Come on. Body will act accordingly. Isn't it so? Give a good message to your body. Give a good massage also to your body. Give message to your body. Sorry. घर पे बैठे बैठे थोड़ा पतला हुआ, थोड़ा नहीं पतला हुआ, ठीक है, सॉरी. Okay, so now let us go to the case taking. Before I wind up, my dear friends, we have discussed some many remedies rubrics. If at all you wanted to put some inputs, message to Anagha's number, Yogesh KY, and just give me 1 minute. Whether I'll just see whether again I can add anyone. Anagha लंबेला फोन कर आणि स्पीकर ऑन कर. Fear, terror, delusion, danger impressions of, we have a rubric. Yes, delusion, trapped. Yes, Geeta, you're right. Minakshi, Enui, afternoon, plumbum metallicum. Kitna din? Fear ordeals, yes. Yes, we have a rubric. Terror impressions of Alok. Yeah, Priyanka. Piku, right, hurrah. So, what happens is this is so important. Fear of arrested belladonna. Who is this? Monica, so beautiful rubric. Yes, arsenic is also there. Huh? Arsenic is also in the rubric. There is a rubric. Delusion accused he is zincum metallicum. Why I was not ignoring zincum? Yes, they have thought very good. Zincum metallicum, we have rubric fear of disaster. In zincum metallicum, there is a fear rubric, delusion accused he is. So, whenever you are suffered with this remedy, people look to that person in a very different way, as if he has done a crime. I am suffering from a viral infection. Yaar, why are you looking at me in such a manner? Delusion accused he is. That is the zincum metallicum. Okay, so there are many rubrics. There are fear, terror, delusion, impressions of terror, delusion, danger, impressions of. We have rubric, delusion, danger, impressions of. So there are so many. Delusion, dying he is. Delusion, he is about to die. Delusion, fear of suffocation, death, cough from, spongia. So there are so beautiful things to understand. There are so many beautiful things to, take into account for prescriptions. So, okay. So, give me a break for 1 minute. Huh? Time किती वेळपर्यंत असतं? Okay. So now, I'll start with the cases directly. Hello, are you with me, my dear friends? Are you with me? Sunshine. Pani Puri missing. Yes. Rashmi, right. Pani Puri. Okay, so I'll start with the case. I'll start with the case of cancer. Actually, that case was I'll tell you. First of all, I'll tell you the case with full of action, full of acting. The patient's doctor. It was from a remote area, and the patient was not socio-economically not that sound. What happened was very important. I tell you, this woman was told that she has to count her days. And the whole family was they were in a very devastated state. They didn't know, because only the 1 month she was not able to swallow. She lost 5 to 6 kilo, I don't know exactly, 5 to 6 kilos she lost. And when she was had undergone that esophagogastrinoscopy, duodenoscopy. What is OGD? Okay, scopy. Then they got a big tumor in the esophagus, and never he was devastated. They were in front of me with full of terror. Now this is a time, my dear friends, if at all a physician they have one hope. Other doctors had said now she has to count her days, and now she is in front of me. Shall I also make the same situation like this? Oh my God, is it like that? Hence my expressions were very cool, as if ऐसा तो हम लोगों ने बहुत कैंसर ठीक किया है यार, चलता है. या संदीप, या ऐसा तो बहुत कैंसर्स मैंने ठीक किए यार. So your disease is not that difficult to treat. So I pacified the woman. But the woman was already pacified. She was like, This is no, this is very important, and this is the best explanation she was giving me. So I asked her, how should or how shall I help her? This was the best question my master used to ask. I am remembering my master. He must be very happy today, right now here, sitting beside me. I asked my master's question, how can I help you? It was a simple question. She said, I am not able to eat properly. That is my only worry. But biscuit, doodh biscuit, milk, buttermilk, everything is going. So what is the problem? She said, I am not able to eat. Actually, she couldn't explain me properly. Whatever she was eating, it was coming out from her nose also. So she couldn't explain me that properly. But still I forced her again and again. What is that thing? Is it that you want to eat biryani? Now, biryani is a matter of bliss now. I am missing it. Sorry. Where were we? I asked you, are you missing that biryani? She said, yeah. But that was not exactly what she wanted to say. This was my question. Okay, this is very important. So what is the thing which is worrying you the most? I asked her son about her nature. The son also bluntly said one or two words about her. She is very quiet and simple. Then I again incited the boy that if you will ask me to ask about the son, okay, then what will happen? Then I asked her, you please don't say such two words explanation. I need the nature. The nature is very important for prescription. Whether nature is very destructive, the nature is very, why this cancer has taken place in the esophagus only. What is? Isliye I sung the song. Suraj ko main nigal gaya. Nigalna yani swallowing process. Esophagus. What is the thing which is she's not able to gulp it down? And this esophagus cancer doesn't come out within 1 month or 1 year or 2 years. It comes out of many, many years of conflict, of most of the time a sad thought which she cannot gulp it down. How could it be like this? She cannot swallow. And the worst thing was, she didn't tell me anything about her problems. Then I asked her, how is it? She naively said, my husband drinks, but my kids don't drink at all. So this is very important. Then I got a clue. I asked her, what repeat it again. So he said, nahi. I think it is not possible to add any other person as speaker on FB Live. Okay. Chandrakant, yes. So I told them, so your husband was a drunkard. So did he love you? Now this is a useless question to ask, my dear friends. But my dear friends, if you are not getting any bloody information from the patient, what will you do? What will you do? So I asked the patient, he didn't love you? So she laughed like this. This was her laugh. This I couldn't show you on the video because we are more than 2,500 people looking this case at a time, and this should not. So, Hi, go Panduranga. So I asked her. So she laughed in this manner. So, what do you feel? Will you come out of this disease or not? What did she say? This was very interesting. She said, I will get out of this. I think I'll get out of this. Surely I'll get it out. How? You will give good medicines to me. You are coming to me for the first time and you're telling me, yes, you will get. When all doctors have said that you count your days and I will be fine. She'll be fine with my medicine. How come? I know. Then I just changed the topic. Then I said, what is the thing which is worrying them? So then everything is fine. Whatever is in my fortune is good. Whatever is written here is good for me. Whatever भगवान के मन में जो लिखा हुआ, भगवान के मन में जो है वही होने वाला है. इसलिए मैं अच्छा ही बोलने वाली हूँ. So I was really wondering. Then she said कि what is this? She said जो मेरे इधर लिखा है वही होगा ना. तो मैंने अच्छा, so you mean to say that you have a very bad fortune? She said no, I have a very good fortune. अरे मिलो, how come? Your husband is a big time drunkard, not at all taking care of your family, not at all taking care of your socio-economical conditions, not taking that responsibilities whatsoever, and at the same time you are suffering from a big tumor in your esophagus, and the doctors are telling that you have to count your days, and you are saying that you have a good fortune. Well, yes, of course. You will see that I have focused on her case. Dr. Manisha Ransinghe. Okay, very good. Actually, I told it's not her. She has done her. Hema, I'll thank you. You have done a wonderful job. I don't know how to thank you on behalf of whole HSF team, because it's your selfless efforts you are doing. I really want from the whole HSF team, from thousands of doctors, we are thanking you, because it's her immense hard work. But I had told Hema to cut the video till 12.09, because after 12.09 I have asked that question, do you believe in God? And then she said कि yes, मन्नू भाई बिरयानी याद कर रही है तुम्हारी. हाँ. So I told this, I asked her directly whether you have faith in God, because I got one rubric in my hand: tranquility, serenity, calmness, reconciled to fate. Now put that rubric. Ayla, you cannot put this rubric, right? Tranquility, serenity, calmness, reconciled to fate. Now what is this rubric all about? We have podophyllum, we have olive sac, we have a rubric card: tranquility, serenity, calmness, reconciled to fate. Natrum carb, okay, very good. That thickness you are talking about. High spirited, very good. Lakshmi, positiveness, very good. Positive, very good. Natrum carb. Ram Krishna, positive, very good. Shobha Singh, high spirit, very good. Saili, yes, okay. Laughing heartedly, Geeta, very good. Tranquility, yes, this is the rubric, Priyanka. Tranquility, serenity, calmness, reconciled to fate. Now, my dear friends, see, now this is very important. I tell you, when we take a case, the most peculiar, queer, rare, strange, Shobha, you are right, hopeful of recovery, yes. I wanted to tell you one thing, my dear friends. It's a case of esophageal cancer, where the recovery is, there is no chance of recovery in cancers. This is the thought every person carries. So if at all a patient comes to know that he is suffering from cancer and he says, "Nah, I gaya abhi meri to wicket gayi," so it is normal. You should not consider these things. What should be considered? In spite of the fact that her husband was a drunkard, a useless plump in her house, doing nothing, no responsibility whatsoever. Through and through, she has hard worked in her life, worked as a labor in her life. And at the same time, when I asked about her fortune, she says, "My luck is very good. I am very happy. I am very good. I am this." Now, this is very much peculiar all about. Now, this is what is called as, the first rubric should be considered was tranquility, serenity, calmness, reconciled to fate. Now the remedies coming are aloes, chamomilla, falcon, olive sac, podophyllum and stannum metallicum. Second rubric which I put up was directly because of with the feel. Now how could we understand the feel? How I reached directly? Gratitude Hemamam. Yes, really. Lakshmi Khot, Olive Sek, right. Vivek Pathak, Podo, very good. Geeta, Hem Chandak, thank you, okay. Rima, yes, Hems, great job. See, Poonam, yes, Sanjay, yeah. So how did I reach Olive Sek? I tell you, I like to tell you these things. Because sometimes there is a time that once you get the one rubric, and if you know the materia medica of that whole remedy, you can only prescribe through that one single rubric, where other remedies are discarded. Okay? How I reached Olive Sec, I would like to tell you. See, the way she was laughing, this laugh, just put it in your hard disk. She was doing like, Are you are on deathbed, my dear friend. You are on deathbed and you are laughing like this. This was something. Secondly, she said, "Abhi Bhagwan ke jo man mein hai wo hoga na." So this is a very common say of the patient. Devak kalji re maja, devak kalji re means what? I have just left everything to the Almighty. Whatever happens, He will take care. I will not take the load. You take. The God will take care of everything. When she's talking about this, when she's on the deathbed, this is very important. That immense faith. When you have God behind you, how will you feel? Nowadays I'm watching Mahabharata, where Arjun is fighting against all the big guns of Kauravas. All the big guns. But Arjuna has that constant confidence. Why he has that confidence, you know? पीछे लॉर्ड कृष्णा बैठा हुआ है साला, अपना कोई उखाड़ नहीं सकता. ये जो फीलिंग, दिस फीलिंग इज कैरिड बाय ऑलिव सैक्स, एंड दिस इज अ वेरी प्योर फीलिंग. इट इज नॉट वेरी इजी. कुछ इफ एट ऑल यू लूज 50,000 इन शेयर मार्केट, यू फील अरे क्या हो गया, बट ऑलिव सैक पीपल ठीक है, गॉड विल सी टू इट. This money doesn't belong to me. This God has given to me. God will take care of my disease. God will take care of this. This is continuously talking about God with full of confidence. Wherein, in spite of being in a very dreadful, dangerous states, still they feel God is with me here. I don't care. Podophyllum was a very good, what can I say, DD. Podophyllum was a very good DD for this remedy. Podophyllum is a very good DD for this case. Now, how will you differentiate Podophyllum from olive sac? Sunita Shah, you are talking about Podo. Suvarna Fadtare talking about Stannum metallicum, Saili Podo, Varsha Podo, Geeta Kumari, religious belief in Truptivani, olive sac, Archana Patil, olive sac, Suvarna, olive sac, Sonali, Podophyllum. Okay, there's a big fight between Podophyllum and olive sac, right? So the remedy is olive sac. One rubric and everything will be cleaned. Blissful, both are blissful. Both are blissful, both are content. Baja olive sack, laughing wholeheartedly. Vaibhav, very good. That was a thing which was. See, I'll tell you one thing. There are many remedies which go in hand together. Many remedies which can go hand in hand together. The basic difference between podophyllum and olive sac is podophyllum is blissful, contented, reconciled to fate. Why? Because it is not that this patient accepts it wholeheartedly. It is reconciled. Gupta Sir said beautifully. Reconcile is mean tranquility surrendering. I am reconciling is a bit adjustment. Reconcile. He's conciling again. Is reconcile. Conciling again. So that means there is a tinge of adjustment. Okay, agreed. But podophyllum adjusts it out of harmony because podophyllum doesn't want quarrels. Podophyllum doesn't want. Podophyllum बंद it's all हे बघ कोणी लंबेला विचार बंद झाला का हे कनेक्शन बंद झालं का podophyllum is the medicine is what olive sac. And why not podo? Because podophyllum does it this all thing blissful, content, reconciled to fate, because she doesn't want quarreling, she doesn't want arguments, she wants peace. And olive sac does it out of only one thing. The whole world of olive sac revolves around. The whole world around olive sac revolves around God. If we'll put it like this, religious too occupied with religion, religious too occupied with religion, then it is only olive sac. Podophyllum is not religious at all. If you put the rubric religious too occupied in religion, podophyllum is not in religious. So this is the basic rubric wherein the base of olive sac is religion. The base of olive sac is God. The base of olive sac is his spirituality, is love towards God, kindness towards God, humbleness towards God, yearning for kindness, yearning for affection. Why? Because it is very close to God. And podophyllum, peace. Podophyllum, no quarrels. Podophyllum, shanti. Podophyllum, no arguments. Got it? So this was, so I was also I was asking for two questions. For podophyllum or olive sac. More was olive sac because her laughing wholeheartedly. So I asked her directly, I said, why do you feel that you will be all right? Hopeful of recovery. Hopeful of recovery means what? What is recovery? Recovery is total cure. What is recovery? If I had given 500 rupees to my maid and I am recovering, if she should take all 500 rupees to me, if she gives me 449 rupees or 419 rupees, still it is not said to be recovered, because recovered means totally whatever has gone has come back. This is recovery, and this is what olive sac feels. Why does olive sac feels about that hopefulness of recovery? Because of God. And I am suffering from cold, and this is very important. I would like to quote this very important. I want you to listen this very carefully. What is hopeful of recovery? And only two remedies are there in hopeful of recovery. Why? If I am suffering from cold and coryza, and now I'll say that now I'll be better within 2 days. Is it that it is hopeful of recovery? If I am suffering from fever for 4 days and I am say to the physician that I will be fine within 5 days, is it hopeful of recovery? No, my dear friends. The rubric here is a morbid rubric, first of all. So whenever you are talking about recovery, it is a recovery about lost things. It is a recovery about which cannot come back. It is a recovery about gone things. It is recovery about lost things. It is recovery about, for example, I'm traveling from Pune to Mumbai, and I get out of the car, okay, and I just get out of my car, and my mobile falls down somewhere else, and I take a vada pav and just again sit in my car and go towards Mumbai. And once I reach my home, I recollected that my mobile is not in my car, and now I think that my mobile is in, maybe fault during in the space between Mumbai and Pune, somewhere there. Is it possible that I may get this mobile? The chances are very, very less. Got it? The chances of getting my mobile are very, very minimum. So, still, if I'll say, no, I'll get my mobile, don't worry, then you can apply this rubric, hopeful of recovery. When the chances of getting back is very minimum, only then hopeful of recovery. If the chances of getting back are very rare, like this patient suffering from this esophageal cancer, the chance of getting back is very rare. But still, she says, I'll be totally cured. Now, this is hopeful of recovery. And believe me, my dear friends, this the intellectuals calling homeopathy a placebo, and see the results. In case of esophageal cancer, is it that, my dear friends, is it that possible that you gain 2 kgs of weight when in 1 month she has lost 5 kilos or 6 kilos, and she's, no doubt, she's eating half chapati one. Now you don't expect a miracle. What happens is, people expect a miracle. The tumor has gone. Yes, that can be also possible. That can be. Now he is on a medicine. I'll again, after, if at all everything is fine, again 2 months later on, I'll show you follow up. Okay, still she's having her food, आधा रोटी सुबह, आधा रोटी रात को, और चावल. Is it not a better state than before? And intellectuals quote that it is a placebo. Okay? Yeah. So, okay, yeah, Farida, religiousness is there. Sai, yeah, Tarun Kumar Behera, yearning for love. Shall I say something about olive sac? Hello? तुम्हाला कसं कळणार? Podo self denial plus harmony. Yes, Sonia, you are right. Yes, you are right. Kalyani, aversion to quarrel is, this is, I'll tell you something about, I already told about olive sac, but still again I'll tell you something. In a nutshell, I'd like to explain you olive sac. Olive sac is pure. Olive sac is scented, but it is a pleasant. When you burn olive sac, it produces smoke. But this smoke is used in temples. This smoke is used in dargahs maybe. This smoke is used in churches also maybe. Where there is holy places, olive sac is there. So it is holy. Means what? It is pure. We really, why did I selected this olive sac as today's case? Why? Because, my dear friends, world has lost love somewhere, I think. The cases, somewhere, self-love or the love towards others, somewhere we have lost, man. Believe me. We have lost that love, yeah. Where have that love gone? We have lost this love, this kindness, this affection, care. We are running after duties, responsibilities, materialistic things. But we are not counting love. We are not counting affection, care, humility. Where is that gone? Where is this? It has lost. Yesterday I asked someone who killed Bhishma. So someone told Duryodhan. See, where are we? No doubt, I am not telling that you be a mythological follower, no doubt. It is a way to learn life. I am watching Mahabharata, I am learning so much things in my life. competition, jealousy, pulling down someone. What is this going on? Jealousy, offensiveness, discharges, ego, pride. Where is this? Where has love gone? Try to find out this love, my dear friends. You'll get everything. You'll get the answer of everything. Try to find out this love. And you see that beautiful effect on the whole world. You put love out and the world will give it back to you. This, okay, sorry, I'm becoming philosophical more, sorry. So, olive sac is a pure soul, okay? This olive sac feels that this love, we have a rubric, yearning for love, yearning for affection, yearning for kind people, yearning for kindness, yearning for affection, yearning for traveling, everything. Means what? What is this yearning? Yearning means intense, eternal desire, which she is lacking. So where will she get this kindness, love, humility? Humility means humbleness. Huh? Where you will find this? You will find this in God. Hence, she has immense faith. There are so many spiritual leaders. When you see to that leader itself, I am not at all telling you to follow anyone, please. But there are some leaders, once you see that, the face of that spiritual guru here, you fall in love with that man. Are yaar, kya sala. These are olive sacs. They love people. They love God. Why? Because that face, that God has that kindness in his eyes. If you see the photo of Sai Baba, eyes are so kind. Like this. So, like this means not like this. Like this they say it, and you like to just bow down in front of them. So, olive sac people like these things. And instead, what did she got? She got a drunkard. My God, abusing. She is here yearning for kindness. And she has got a partner abusive. My God, see the conflict. See the contrast. What? Oh my God. This is olive sac. And whatever, whoever and wherever she lies in trouble, she doesn't get devastated. Why? Devastated feeling is not there in olive sac. Why? No bloody negative rubric is there in olive sac. Why? Because she is the pure follower of God. And she feels that God is taking their due care of me. And hence I am blissful, contented, cheerful, laughing. Bliss like this. I mean, not like this. Gautam Buddha ka ye dekho aap, you will find out what is bliss in his eyes. That is bliss. Okay. So that was olive sac. Truth telling the plain. Very clean and clear. Okay. So this was olive sac. Now the case, actually what happened. Acha, you want more olive sac? Am I going faster or I don't know. I'm not getting whether this olive dup or udi. Udi. Udi nahi, dup. Dup. Shobha. Kindness, right? Yeah. The discussions of olive sac. So, see, this olive sac is a very common remedy. There are many patients who don't get love and they expect that amount of love in return, but they don't get it. And hence, if you're not getting love see, there are two types of people who pray to God. One group who prays out of fear and one group prays out of love. This is the category who praise God out of pure love. Love lies here with God. And there, no, today, no. If I'll not do puja, God will, punish me. So I had to do puja. There are some group like this. But Varatram album. They also communication with God. We have a rubric, communication with God. Varatram album and olive sac. But see the difference. East and West. East and west means if Olixap is east, Varatram is west. Means what? Here it is full of purity, full of love, full of kindness. And here Varatam album also is in delusion communication with God. But here the state is full of adultery, full of dirt, full of garment, full of, only knows that he has committed a drastic crime and now he is yearning for salvation. Huh? Which is in the olive sac is always in. I had a query over here that olive sac is in the rubric pert. Now, what is this pert all about? What this pert means? Chirky, chirpily forward. है ना? How we find pert in spongia? This pert of spongia is like. I have given so many examples of pert of spongia. Directly, patient comes and a 12-year-old child comes in. Sir, how much time you will take more? Because it's already 1.5 an hour. So please, so directly chickly forward, who just comes in, does something, such a reaction that we feel that, arey, what is he doing here? But it doesn't hurt here. A 6-year-old child carrying my stethoscope and checking me directly. Means taking my stethoscope and checking me and sitting at my seat is pert. Got it? Or taking my pills ka dabba and taking pills as if it's his own clinic. So this is pert. Olive sac is very naive. I had showed you, I'll tell you a case. I'll not tell you the whole case. But I'll tell you one small incidence of my career. I had shown in this Ramada seminar, wherein a patient has lost her vision, and I got to know that this remedy is olive sac. And I always tell you, when I'm confident of my prescription, my heart start pumping like around with a speed of 100 to 100. I am just like, acha, tomorrow morning we'll see. Okay. Next follow-up, what did she say? She said, actually, doctor, when you said so that tomorrow morning I'll get my eyes back, I really wondered what is he talking all about. I had taken so much of medicines. Doctor na jara ज़्यादा ही करता है, ये जरा जास्त ही style मारता है. But see, this is what she conveyed it to me directly, because it is also in the rubric truth tell in the plain. So what the person who takes his truth tell in the plain and a bit pert also is olive sap cannot keep one thing in heart and one thing in out. It's not like that. Olive sap, what is in, it is out. No chakke panchi, no cunningness, no deceitfulness, no liar, no untruthfulness, no sly, no hypocrisy is olive sac. And if at all he or she does it, then you can take it as a pert. Okay?
Difference between natrum carb.
Natrum carb and olive sac. Which are very good. See, natrum, I'll tell this. Natrum carb is, we have a rubric delusion, thick he is. Means what? In spite of the fact that the patient is very going through a very bad phase of life, natrum carb is always present himself like this. Yeah, hi. Oh yeah. What is, in spite of the fact that I am a woman, I am a wife, housewife, and I am being beaten by my husband day in and day out. Still, I know, the physician also knows, because if I am a patient and my sister has brought me to the physician, the physician knows that his husband is beating this patient day in and day out. So when I ask the patient, are you this? So patient says, I am very happy. Patient says, I am very happy. What did the patient said? This olive sac patient said, olive sac patient told me, ki doctor, when I asked that your son is drinking alcohol, she said naively and openly, no, my husband drinks. My wife, my son doesn't drink alcohol, my husband drinks. She confessed easily. She didn't hide anything. Natrum carp will 100% hide everything from you. You will get a feel of natrum mure, but the only thing is that the natrum carp emotional patience is very strong. Natrum mure breaks down. Again and again I'm telling you, natrum mure that can be only conveyed with say, case illustrations and demonstrations. But still I would try my level best. If this is natrum mure and I am hurt by your question, then natrum mure will look like this. The discomfort of natrum mure is visible on the face, my dear friends. Like this. This discomfort will be visible on the face of natrum mure, but natrum carp will be a big facade in front, like this. Today morning, my husband has kicked me on my back and it is paining, but still, hi. This is thick. Means she doesn't allow the emotion goes deep into the heart. This is natrum carp. It's okay. And olive sac, laughing wholeheartedly, pure soul. Natrum carp, a facade. What is in is out, olive sac. What is in is always in, natrum carp. Got it? Yeah. So this is all about olive sac. And the second case, we are short of time. Best. This is a case of I am missing my friends. I actually planned. Still, एक फोन करून बघ ती रेमेडीचं होतंय का कोणाला येते का यायचं तर येऊ द्या. अच्छा, my dear friends, the case of vomiting. The case was like, I got a telephonic conversation call from my friend that one of my relatives suffering from this vomiting episodes, and she is very bad, very bad. The state is so bad that I can't explain you. I have taken all allopathic medications. What possible? No, I won't take allopathy. Nahi. Modern medicines. I don't claim it is an allopathic medicine. I have taken all possible medicines. That is all. I take my word back, allopathy का नहीं तो मेरे को sue करेंगे लोग. हाँ, so I told her, so the best thing was what? I lost my tempo. मी कुठे होतो? So, so this all took all possible treatments, and now he is not well at all. He vomits sometimes 15 vomits a day, sometimes 20 vomits a day, sometimes 30 vomits a day, sometimes 40 vomits a day. And in the follow-up, the child has said, एक बार तो record हुआ था, 50 हुआ था एक दिन, record मारा था. This was very important for the follow-up also. Second, when the patient comes in front of you, he was with his now I'll wind up within 10 minutes, okay? The patient comes with his family, the husband and the wife, okay? But the IPR was 4 people, the daughter was not with them. They came with, the child was with his mom and his dad. So, this child was sitting like this, and he was holding the dupatta of the mother. So, I thought of stramonium. Agreed. I thought of stramonium. But it was a thought. Madam, it was a thought. And he was like, I thought that he was like evading the look. He was not facing me like this. And he was looking down. He was looking down continuously. Now, hence I asked directly the question about horror movies. And the father said, I watched, and he used to accompany me. And the son complained of his father that he used to see. So you can sit at the other room, right? Why you are accompanying if you are worried about this, if you are terrified about this horror film? Don't see. Now my father always sees this. This was one important question. Through and through he was looking down. When he was looking down and when he used to look at me, I used to do like this. And he again used to look down. Okay, this was third observation. Fourth observation, who is your enemy? Don't forget to ask this question. These are beautiful questions, my dear friends. Who is your enemy? My enemy is one of my friend. And then I asked, oh, sister. Yes, sister. Arey haan, sister bhi ek hai. Okay. So, the sister is the main enemy of this child. This was also a more important question. More important. Fifth question was, you are deceitful, liar, or pure by heart. He immediately said, no, Baba, I am not pure. This was very important and very interesting. Hence I said, no, this is naive. No, it was not naive. Sorry. It was not naive at all. Then when you give an example, he said, when I get out for 0 runs, I tell my mother I scored around a century. Huh? This was also again a very different thing. It was a very peculiar thing. He was also confessing. The best, this whole case was finished within 2 to 3 minutes. I'll wind up. What? अच्छा अभी तक तुम लोग ऑलिव सैक पे हो? राहुल यादव, अभी तक ऑलिव सैक तक ही हो आप? Very good. Thank you, Rahul. Love you, man. Okay, then. अच्छा ऑलिव सैक प्रेयर्स आउट ऑफ लव. अरे अभी तक ऑलिव सैक पे अटके हैं सब लोग. Am I with you or I am forward sometime? I am a bit forward, right? Okay. This is it. ठीक है. Now गजानन आता आलेत तुम्ही. Okay. Now they have come to the next case. So this case was finished within 2 minutes. I asked the question, if you will remember very clearly, what do you look at to the vomitus? Vomitus means what? The material what is vomited out. Only liquid. That was very easy for me to put to throw out water 15 times. 50 times I can put out water from my mouth. What is that? See, like this. No, I want to stay at home, man. So simple. One vomitus, episode of vomiting. Again, female, second vomit. Again within third vomit. In spite of the fact that he is vomiting 10 to 15 times, there was no weight loss. In spite of the fact that he was vomiting 20 to 15 times, 25 times, 30 times, there was no, energy loss. There was no malaise. There was no weakness. He was like, and when I did this and this, he was alert. And he was continuously looking down. I agree that you couldn't make out that he was continuously looking down. But I was also thinking of stramonium at the first sight. But later on when I said like this, and one thought was continuously in my mind, that a fact that 20 episodes at a time, 20 episodes, man, of vomiting. And the child is easily traveling. If you vomit 4 to 5 times a day, but that vomit should be real. Then you collapse. Your skin becomes cold, clammy. Your eyes will start, eyelids will start drooping. And this child was like, 15 episodes of vomiting yesterday, and he's like, here, the remedy lies here, man. And I was wondering, modern medicine was putting the Scopy inside. What for? I didn't know. I thought, in spite of 15 vomitings per day, what should be the general condition of the patient? The general condition was very fine. And the mother was really worried. The mother was really naive. Mother was really worried about the child. Why? He was not getting that due attention. The younger sister was Pulsatilla. She used to do some complaints and used to hit the child. Now there was no defense. How could he defend? He will defend like, "Whoa, अरे रे ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है okay, अरे रे ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है okay, अरे रे ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है." This is tarantula. This is tarantula. Ignitia. See, Ignitia will not pity herself. Tarantula will pity herself. Ignitia will act destructiveness. What did the child say? If you'll go out, if anyone hits you, what you'll do? He'll come back. No doubt, it will come. This is tarantula. Pities herself, showing herself sick. है ना? Delusion, sick being, feigning sick, fainting in paroxysms. Means what? I'm like this. I'm normal now. Walk. अरे अचानक everything was fine. अचानक उल्टी. Got it? This is tarantula. This is cunningness. Ignitia is defined. Ignitia, if goes out and someone hits him, he will give it back. He will give it back. He is defined. He will not worry. He is fearless also. Tarantula is in the dark. Tarantula is in the shades. I had given you so many examples of tarantula. I had a visit in my early practice around 23 years back I'm talking about, where and a patient told me that it's a suicidal case. I was really wondered. I was very young that time. Abhi bhi young hai. And I was very young at that time. I told, अरे यार इसको admit करो. I told. And this woman was very normal, crying. What did she do? Took this fennel. Bark. She didn't drunk a single drop of fennel. That is the cunningness. But how was the environment? The whole environment was terrified. Similarly, 25 vomits. The whole family was worried. What is this? Simple. Now, last 5 minutes, I would like to tell you one symptom of this tarantula, H. What was that? What was that rubric? Please don't, the ones who have seen this case, please don't tell me because it's suspense. This will be a homework. You will get it in the Facebook page next time. Or shall I open up? This is the remedy is tarantula. The rubric was feigning sick, fainting in paroxysms, pities herself to show being sick. The whole environment was so worried about his vomitings. Tarantula never coughed like, tarantula coughed like, whole environment gets worried about his cough. Got it? Tarantula. Because the whole environment gets disturbed. The whole environment goes into discomfort. But what was that thing when I asked him, are you a pure soul or an impure soul? What did he say? I am an impure soul. What was that? This is a homework. Hyoscyamus. Yes, tarantula only, Varsha, right. Archana, right. Tarantula. Very good. Poonam, tarantula, very good. Rushali Ghate, liar, deceitful है, liar नहीं, deceitful. Suvarna Fadtare, tarantula, very good. Bhavin, so see, Bhavin, Ignitia is defined. Ignitia cannot play with the eyeballs like this. You didn't see the case, sorry, but he was rolling his eyes down and up, as if he has done something wrong, as if he has committed something crime. Who will do like this? Who will do like this? The one who is impure from within. जो अंदर से पापी है ना, वो ही ऐसा करेगा. Got it? So this was tarantula. My dear friends, this is a difficult time, but not a negative time at all. This time you have to, just go through this time. Just through this time, go through this time, pass this time, and wait for the beautiful morning which is coming ahead in your life. 100% I am telling you, the beautiful life is awaiting for all of us. Give this message to the world that we love you and this mother world is loving us, all of us. This single message can do wonders in this current scenario. And this message, I hope it should convey to the whole. I am trying to, Hema will help me out to, record the first half an hour of this. And I will be putting it up on all the media post in this. And again, I will share it to all of you. You also share it to all groups everywhere, wherein the mass should understand that love, togetherness, affection, and integrity is the key, wherein there is happiness, cheerfulness, and health and harmony. This is that's all I can say. And now I am waiting for any queries. If at all you have any queries, I'll be here. I'll be more than happy to be here. If you have no tamasha, Rauba barobar bolas re baba. Rauba Patil said tamasha, excellent a word. Pritam Pau, thank you very much. Raksha, yes, thank you sir. Nidhi झालं कोण आहे? Okay, and I hope you loved this, enjoyed this, and this trend I think we should continue, so that this lockdown will be a very small piece of time which will pass away very fast, and we'll join again. Don't forget this pause, make use of it, do meditation, self-awareness, swadhyay, close your eyes, say happy. Yeah, Mona, right, truth tell in the plain nahi ho sakta wo. Truth tell in the plain is when you ask, what is truth tell in the plain? This is not truth tell in the plain. When I asked him, he said it, but he said it out of one fear. That is a homework. This I won't reveal. What is that rubric which is very important? When he said, no, I am not, I am not honest, or I am not pure by heart. I lie my mom. If I score 0, I tell them I scored 100 marks, like that. Love you, Zindagi, Shobha, right? Ashish Bhau. Jai ma'am. Watchful of being seen. Very good, Jai ma'am. Pranali, yes. Chaya, thank you. Shobha. येस युनिवर्स लव यू ऑल. महेंद्रा मोरखड्या लव यू मॅन. जागृती मोरे थँक्यू. प्रतिमा थँक्यू व्हेरी मच. या रक्षा या. सुचिता या. विशाखा थँक्यू. नरेंद्र नन्या थँक्यू सर. मधु या थँक्यू मधु. पायल राईट. अरविंद चलो शॉ. आना का बंद करू. एक के लंब्याला फोन कर. लंब्याला फोन कर ना विचार की आता बंद कर झालं. एक होमवर्क है. That what was that rubric for when he confessed to me that I was a liar. This is a rubric homework. I'll put this last rubric tonight at 10:30 on HHF field page. That a very interesting rubric. So now what काय करायचं. फिनिश बटन दाबायचं का. फिनिश बटन दाबायचं का. थँक यू ऑल अँड लव यू ऑल.